Many of you must have installed iOS 18 beta and the majority of you must be facing issues with it as it's a beta. I am also one of them facing issues, but I am facing a weird problem. My iPhone is not turning on after the update, it does not boot back. So I will show you how to fix iPhone won't turn on issue with the iOS 18 beta update. For this I am using this tool, Tenorshare Reboot. It's an iPhone repair and recovery tool with free and paid features with it. Here is the main page of it. You can see all the main highlights. It can solve 150 plus iOS related issues. The link to it is in the description below. It is available for both Mac and Windows. Download it and install it on your computer. Let me just quickly install it as well. Here it is with a lot of new features. You can enter and exit from the recovery mode with just a single click for free. You can also use it to downgrade iOS 18 to 17 as well. I also have made a free tutorial about how to downgrade iOS 18 to 17. I will put the link up in the cards and in the description below. So let's fix the iPhone won't turn on issue I am having. First, connect the device with the computer. Then on the main page of the Tenorshare Reboot, click on the Start Repair option. Here are further two options to choose from, Standard Repair and Deep Repair. Standard Repair won't have any effect on your personal data, whereas the Deep Repair will erase everything. Normally, the Standard Repair solves all the issues, but if it fails, you have to try the Deep Repair. I will show you how. So, choose the first option and click on the Standard Repair. On this page, it will recognize the latest available iOS firmware for your device and ask to download it. Now, here are two options. Either you can directly download it by clicking the download button here, or if you have the IPSW iOS version file already on your computer, you can select that from here. And if you want to separately download the IPSW file, you can do that by going to the ipsw.me website. I have the file, so I will just import it. Once you select the file, you will see this screen. Here, just click on the Start Standard Repair button and wait for the process to complete. It could take some time depending on the issue you are resolving. I am fixing iPhone won't turn on issue on my device. During the process, you will see multiple these pop-ups. Just cancel them. Here you can see, for me the standard repair option could not fix iPhone won't turn on problem. So now I have to try the deep repair option. That will erase all the data, but I do have the complete backup of my device already. I took that before installing iOS 18 beta on my device. I will restore that to iOS 17 later. Click on the deep repair option. Again click on that. Here it will ask you to download the iOS version. But you already have that. If you downloaded that directly from the Tenorshare Reboot tool, you can see the path here. You can select the IPSW file from there from this import option. Select the IPSW file, click on the deep repair and wait for the process to complete. Here you can see the deep repair process is completed successfully. My device is taking some loading right now. It's on the setup process, so let me just quickly go through it. Here you can see I have successfully fixed iPhone won't turn on issue with Tenorshare Reboot. The link is in the description below. Here you can see my device is now back on iOS 17.5.1 and working fine. Although the data is lost, I have the backup. Thank you for watching.